There is one thing that all successful social media businesses have in common, and that is strong social media strategy skills. If you're able to deliver a successful social media strategy for clients, then I promise you're not going to run out of business anytime soon. Now, the problem with today's social media landscape is that there actually aren't enough great social media strategists out there. And so in partnership with Cloud Campaign today, I am dishing the 4 most common social media strategy mistakes I see social media managers and agencies make so you don't have to. Hey, my name is Mil and I own a multi-6-figure social media agency, and I now help social media managers do the same. If you're new here, make sure to grab my free roadmap to becoming a 6-figure social media manager that I will drop in the description below. Now let's dive right in. Now, the first social media strategy mistake I see everyone make is being scarce with their resources. Now, here's the deal. Your social media strategy is actually the most important part of a social media presence, and not investing in the right tools at the right time is actually going to cost you. Now, I get it, you're trying to save, right, and limit your expenses or cap your expenses, but on tools like social media management platforms, analytics that you need to create a killer social media strategy, you simply cannot not invest in on time. And so there is one tool and one tool only that you need to invest in as a social media manager and agency, and that is a social media management platform. So Cloud Campaign is actually the only social media management platform that was created with an agency in mind. So other very popular social media management platforms actually were created for brands. And so the cost will add up as you start to manage a bunch of clients inside of one tool, which isn't the case with Cloud Campaign. There are no hidden costs. You can have unlimited accounts within a brand. And so it really is kept with you in mind in order to scale your business. Now, if you're wondering when should I start investing in this, right? Maybe you're just starting out, maybe you do already have a handful of clients. Here's a good rule of thumb. If you have 3 social media management clients, this is when you really have to start looking into a social media management platform like Cloud Campaign, because you're now running multiple accounts, and while sure, you can potentially do this inside of Instagram and Facebook schedulers and things like that, it is very limited and you need third-party tools to actually measure results to shape your strategy. And if you are at 5 clients, then you're really pushing it and you really have to move into a social media management platform as soon as possible. So if you want to try Cloud Campaign, there's actually a 14-day free trial that you can try. If you like it, you can take 15% off using my code MILU15, and I will also drop this in the description below. The second social media strategy mistake I see everyone make is drawing the wrong conclusion. You are simply not going to become a strategist overnight, right? It takes skill, it takes time for you to actually build those skills as you're learning and seeing patterns in clients' accounts. And the more experience you have, the better you're going to get, right? But one of the things you absolutely need in order to draw conclusions is analytics. So in the first point, we talked about, right, native analytics and native tools that you could be using, but I would always recommend having third-party insights so that you can actually dive deep into the analytics and get better conclusions. So you know how Instagram always sends those little insights of, hey, your reach increased by 100%, or maybe it dropped by 80%, and you're immediately like, oh my God, what happened? You can't draw conclusions from that. You really need to get the full picture in a third-party analytics tool like Cloud Campaign, right? So you can see what actually happened. Now, before you think, oh my God, I suck at math, right? I'm terrible at math. I don't want to decode all the numbers. Cloud Campaign actually does this for you. So at the top of their analytics reports, you will always see a short summary where they will tell you what type of content performed best at what time, and it gives you strategic insights. So you don't even have to decode the numbers, which will save you a ton of time that you can then be spending on batching more content for your clients. So this leads me into the next social media strategy mistake everyone makes, and that's not using your time efficiently, right? Back in the day, I used to be a person that wanted to do everything manually. Spoiler alert, you shouldn't be manually posting your content. If you want to scale your business, it's simply not a good use of your time or anyone's time, and you need to get used to a reliable scheduler or management platform that will actually allow you to scale. So not only your analytics reports can be automated, right, and save you a ton of time with Cloud Campaign, but also, auto publishing, scheduling out content. And especially with a tool like Cloud Campaign, it won't actually get scheduled until content is approved by your team or the client, as it has an internal and external approval process. And so you want to make a good use of your time, because you shouldn't be spending your time posting content if you can make use of a scheduler, right? Instead, you want to be spending this time strategizing, researching, working on the next campaign, the next month of content. What do we need to change, right? What's working, what's not working? And so as a strategist, you really need to focus your time where it's best spent for you and your clients. If you haven't tried Cloud Campaign before yet, make sure you dive into their 14-day free trial, because if you like it, you can even take an additional discount using Milu15. Now, the fourth and last social media strategy mistake I see everyone make is not having a very well-balanced calendar. Now, what do I mean by that? Having conducted hundreds of social media strategies a year, if not more, every time I do research, this is what I come up and see, not only with my clients, but even their competitors when I do a competitor analysis, and they simply don't have a very well-balanced or well-rounded content strategy. Now, there's a solution for that. Inside of Cloud Campaign, you can actually label your content so that not only at the end of the month you can see which content category performed best, but you're also able to keep track of inside the calendar how much promotional content you're pushing out, how much educational content, or maybe you want to label them per content pillar and topic, right? It's completely up to you and customizable. But we all know, as social media managers promoting ourselves, how easy it is to forget to promote your services, right? And so this gives that kind of accountability to make sure your calendar touches on everything you wanted it to touch on, or for your client, right? So I love using categories and labels so that everyone can see what actually performed best. And so it is included in the analytics, and you see this overview inside of the calendar itself as well. Now, this wraps up the 4 most common social media strategy mistakes I see social media managers and agencies make, so you don't have to. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure you comment below so that I know what type of content I can create more of just for you. I post weekly videos here on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in next week's video.